This is just going to be a quick unboxing of the Vlogger kit. This is like a grip slash tripod. Allows you to control the camera, and specifically for me the ZV-1 vlogging camera wirelessly through Bluetooth. Pretty cool addition. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what we got here. You immediately get some fun instructions, warnings about things they want you to know, camera grip pairing guide. We're going to skip that. Now this is a kit, so this kit also comes with the SD card. So you have a 64 gigabyte SD card right in there to use to get the 4K. It's a card that is meant for the camera. So it gives you the card for the camera as well as the grip itself, which is inside of its own little box. So let's open that up. So of course you're going to have instructions in here. A lot of instructions and pamphlets in different languages. And you've got your cloth. This is a cleaning cloth, and it looks like maybe that's a battery. I'm thinking it looks like a little coin battery. So that's what powers it, is a little battery there. And now we're going to look at the grip itself. So this is it. This is, as you can see, it's a tripod. So you can use this as a tripod. You've got your, I'm assuming this is maybe where the battery goes. Yep, there's where the battery goes. So it does operate just off of that little coin battery. And you can adjust this, and of course I'll have to read the instructions to figure out how it all works, but it is adjustable up and down as well as left and right. And you've got your screw to attach to the camera. You've got your buttons to control wirelessly, so you've got your zoom, you've got record, you've got take a photo, and then you've got C1. I'm not sure what that is, but I will find out. And then you can lock it. But it's also grip, so when you put it together, obviously if you're doing selfie or self video, then you can hold it in your hand really easily to take video that way. So anyway, that's the unboxing of the Sony vlogging kit that comes with both the tripod and handheld wireless controller, as well as that 64 gigabyte SD card.